So, EAS warnings. Creepy EAS broadcast. Hi, someone just died. Why does that happen? Look.
The ICBM will be detonated in approximately 3 hours.
Nah. That was like in 2017. What the heck? Amber alert. What? Video no longer available. So glad we have this video. We're so glad we have this video.
This time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed extraterrestrial. Continue to carry.
Oh, I watched that one. Watch it at your own risk. Watch that video at your own risk. You should not watch it. Well, I recommend you not to watch it. Literally, watch it at your own risk. Watch it at your own risk. Sorry, not gonna show you it. Actually, I'm gonna show you it's called. If you want to watch it at your own risk, I recommend you not to, because you know, electronic devices sometimes reflect your reflection. I can't seem to find anymore. Oh, here it is. Creepy EAS by FTP. Let's see the comments. Do not look in the mirror or any reflective objects. But the TV that is supposed to be broadcasted on a reflected object. An unidentified creature comes to my house. Hot me hides. Unidentified creature says, I like 'em big. No matter how human they sound. YouTube people be like, wow, guys, 1 like? How? I'm going full screen. Wish me luck. Edit at 3 a.m. with the lights off. Good luck. What the... with the weird sound inside your house. Watch this at your own risk, please. Please, but watch this at your own risk. But I recommend you not to watch it. This should be titled, Don't Look in the Mirror. Every alien EAS mirrors in Windows. Every alien EAS ever mirrors in Windows will kill you. Because if you look at them, an alien will pop up behind you. That I actually made that more scary than usual. I made that more scary than usual. But I basically got video idea from Flamingo. Not one. No. It lurks. So basically,
And your sound.
from here.
Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside.
you wake up from a nightmare.
Okay, let's all watch this part, even though.
Bro, look how wide
Even
his
though,
stance got. Like, he started walking like
it doesn't say
normal.
anything about the moon.
He
Flamingo
walked
makes
in like
things
this.
more funnier, so this is why I recommend you watch his videos, like when he's playing like scary games, something. So I recommend you watching him before actually playing the real game. Like serious gamers, they don't make it more funny at all.
Stop. In approximately 1 minute from the start of this broadcast, a hostile entity of unknown origin will be in your area. Secure all entrances to your house. This is like break-in. Do not attempt to investigate any noise coming from outside your house. What about the inside? Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside your house. What about the inside? If any family member goes missing, do not attempt to look for them. Wasn't thinking about it. I forgot they existed. Should an object in your house start moving on its own, do not attempt to investigate. I'm so calm right now. Do not attempt to investigate. Wasn't gonna. Turn off all lights and remain silent at all times. Alright, well, let's hop to it. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Okay, that was it for that video. And it was it for this video. So bye, guys.